Okay, so these two channels are getting millions of views simply by telling engaging stories of historical figures. And if you think these kinds of channels can't be monetized, think again, because they absolutely are. So in this video, I'm going to share the ultimate blueprint for creating your own viral historical shorts. And the best part? We're going to level them up like this.
Check out these crazy facts about Alexander the Great. His mom convinced him that his real dad was Zeus, the Greek god, and that he was destined to conquer the world. During his conquests, he encountered the Gordian knot, which legend said could only be untied by the future conqueror of Asia. When he couldn't untie it, Alexander simply cut it with his sword. Problem solved. And here's the wildest part. After his death, Alexander's body didn't decompose for days, making people think he was a god. But modern scientists believe he wasn't dead at all. They think he had a neurological disorder that left him paralyzed, but fully aware. So, history's greatest conqueror was actually buried alive.
So how can you create something like this? First, we'll generate our script and images, then move on to the voiceover. After that, we'll transform our images into stunning videos using the Luma Dream Machine. Finally, we'll put everything together using CapCut. So let's get started. The first step is to create our script. I'll show you two techniques you can use. First, we'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us some facts about a historical character, in this case, Alexander the Great. From there, we can select one and ask it to craft a 30-second engaging story. The second option is to find a popular video on YouTube and use the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude Chrome extension to extract the transcript. Now that we have our transcript, we can ask ChatGPT to paraphrase the story and provide 10 or more prompts for generating our images. To keep our character consistent, we'll get a detailed description from ChatGPT and create our final prompt from it. Next, we'll paste the prompt to generate our image and grab the Gen ID, which we'll use for future generations. Let's test the consistency by creating an image of our Alexander on a horse and a few more. As you can see, ChatGPT maintains the character's consistency in every scene. We can use this process to generate the remainder of our images. Now that our images are ready, we'll head to ElevenLabs to create our voiceover. Let's paste our full story and select a voice character from the available options. For this demonstration, I'll be using Adam, a popular voice character on social media. The next step is to animate our images. Let's head over to Luma Dream Machine and upload our images. For better results, I'll include a short description of each scene and then wait for my generation. Keep in mind that video generation can take a while due to high demand, so I recommend that you create different accounts and upload your other images if you don't want to pay for this tool. Our videos are ready. But as you can see, I had to generate it twice because our character's face seemed to mutate slightly in the first video. But now that we have our videos, we need to find a background music. I recommend 3 ways to find a great soundtrack. First, check out Breaking Copyright. Look for orchestral tracks that are free to use on YouTube. Just remember to credit the creators to avoid any issues. The second option is to generate your own soundtrack. Simply go to Suno AI and create a song. Make sure you check Instrumental and then paste this command to generate your background music. These sounds can be pretty impressive, but you should only use this option if you're willing to invest, as the free version of Suno doesn't include commercial rights. The final option is to grab a free track from YouTube's audio library. I'll leave a list of my favorite soundtracks from the YouTube audio library that would be great for historical videos in the resource channel on my Discord server. You can also find prompts and other resources I use in my videos on the server. The link is on my channel page. Now it's time to compile our video. Let's import our clips, background music, and voice into CapCut and add them to our timeline. We'll increase the volume and arrange our clips according to the flow of our story. Depending on the type of video, you can select your preferred aspect ratio. Keep in mind that some of these clips can be very slow, so we'll speed them up a bit. We'll also crop some of these videos to better fit our narrative. I'll quickly finish the arrangement. For sections where we use images instead of videos, we can add some simple animations. The next step is to add transitions between our clips. Since our image already included a lightning bolt and Luma Dream Machine animated it nicely, we can add a lightning sound and effect. We'll also add a sword clash sound effect and duplicate it a few times. Now, let's add an angelic sound effect to this clip of Alexander as a god. We'll also add a clear filter and drag it to cover the entire width of our project. Check out the difference after applying the filter. Definitely an improvement. Next, we'll generate our captions, add a bounce-out animation for a single text caption effect, and center it. For the font, let's select this one and apply a shadow. We can also choose one of these templates and then apply our font. Our video looks great, but before we remove the watermark at the top, let's add our background music. We'll adjust the volume to find the perfect balance and trim it at the end. Now, we can export our video in 720p resolution. To get rid of the watermark, we'll go to 123 apps and choose the watermark removal. Now we can import our video and draw a rectangle around the Luma Dream Machine logo. All that's left is to apply the changes and export our new video. The last step is to increase the resolution of our video. Feel free to skip this step, but I prefer 1080p or above resolution even for short-form content. So we'll go to TensorPix and import our new video. The only thing we'll do here is select the 400% Ultra and enhance our video. It may take a few minutes, but our 4K resolution video is ready for download. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you and see you in the next one.